Now we will start electrical resistance. The electrical resistance of a conductor is defined as the ratio of electric potential difference applied to the current flowing in a conductor. Therefore, capital R is equal electric potential difference V upon current I, or we can say R is equal to V upon I. SI units R equal to V upon I. V is potential. Unit of potential is volt. I is current. Unit of current is ampere. Now, unit of resistance is 1 ohm, that is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. Now, we can define as 1 ohm. The resistance is said to be 1 ohm if 1 ampere of the current flowing when there is a potential difference of 1 volt. The factors on which resistance depend: first is temperature, second is configuration, in the configuration resistance directly proportional to length of the conductor. Equation number first: if the length of a conductor increase, resistance of a conductor also increase, and resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to the area of the conductor, are inversely proportional to 1 by A. Now combining first and second, we can say R proportional to L by A, or we can say, now we can write R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is specific resistance or it is known as resistivity. Here resistance directly proportional to the length, resistance inversely proportional to the area. If length increases, resistance of the conductor increases, and area of a conductor increase, then resistance decreases. Combining these two, we get R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is specific resistance or resistivity. We can find units of resistivity. Rho is equal to RA by L. R is ohm, area is meter square, length is meter. It will be cancelled, so units will be ohm meter. If length is 1 meter, area is 1 meter square, then according to this relation, R is equal to rho L by A. Putting length 1 and area 1 meter square, we get R is equal to resistivity. So from here we can define the resistivity. It is defined as resistance of unit cube of a material of the given conductor. Factors affecting resistivity. In the derivation of Ohm's law using drift velocity, we have taken capital R is equal to ml upon n e square tau into A. Now we can write this equation as R is equal to m upon n e square tau L by A. In the last topic we have written R is equal to rho L by A. If this is equation number first, equation number second. Now if we compare first and second, then we will get rho is equal to m upon n e square into tau. Therefore, we can say resistivity is inversely proportional to the number of ion and resistivity is inversely proportional to the relaxation time. Now, effect on temperature. With the increase in temperature, relaxation time decreases. Therefore, resistivity increases. So we can say resistivity directly proportional to the temperature. If we plot the graph between resistivity and temperature, it is a straight line. Next is resistivity depends upon nature of material. Here, resistivity inversely proportional to the number of ions per unit volume. Here small n is, we have written in the starting capital N upon volume, that is area into length. Different material has different number of ions. Therefore, resistivity only depends upon nature of the material. It do not depend upon configuration, means length and area of conductor. If length increases, then resistivity do not changes. If area changes, then resistivity do not changes, because resistivity do not depend upon length and area. It only depends upon temperature and the nature of material. Next topic is current density J. It is the amount of current flowing per unit area of a conductor provided area is held in a direction normal to the current. Therefore, we can say J I upon A. According to the relation I, NE into VD upon A cancelled. So J is equal to NE into VD. Now, units of current density J is current upon area. Current is ampere, area is meter square. It is a vector quantity. For the small area, we can write I is equal to integration of J vector dot ds vector. Next topic is conductance. It is reciprocal of resistance. So we can write G, this is 1 by R. Units, resistance of unit is ohm. So it is per ohm or mho. Next topic is electrical conductivity. Sigma. Reciprocal of resistivity. Therefore, sigma is 1 by rho. Unit of electrical conductivity, that is per ohm per meter. Relation between J, sigma and E. J is current density, sigma is electrical conductivity, E is electric field. We know I is equal to NEA into VD. Relation for the VD is I is equal to NEA, VD is E into E. Relaxation time upon M. I is equal to N, E square, AE. Relaxation time upon M. Shift A, N, E square, E, T. Relaxation time upon M. I upon A is equal to J, that is E. We can write N E square time upon M. This relation is equal to 1 by rho, or we can say J is equal to 1 by rho into E. 1 by rho is equal to sigma. Therefore, J is equal to sigma into E.